In lab number 1, our main objective is to model this system. So just to quickly review, this is a disk whose speed we want to control. So this is our angle encoder, and the job of this is to measure the angle of the disk, and this angle is measured and then sent to Arduino. Inside the Arduino, this angle coming from the disk could be converted to angular speed. So now Arduino knows the angular speed. Based on the angular speed, the controller's job is to provide the right voltage to the motor to make the disk move at the right speed. So how is the controller going to provide the right voltage? Well, first, the Arduino is going to do a computation, which is exactly what the controller is, to compute what voltage we want. That voltage is sent in the DAC units to this digital to analog converter over here, and digital to analog converter is going to give an analog voltage to the motor controller over here, and based on what fraction of 5 volts is that analog voltage, this motor controller is going to provide the corresponding fraction from the power supply to this motor. So it's a complicated system, but the ultimate end result is Arduino can command what voltage goes to the motor. And by controlling the voltage going to the motor, you can control the speed of the disk. So the plant in our system over here is from the voltage we give to the motor to the speed of the disk. And our job in the next two labs is to model this plant, which means find a mathematical relation from the voltage given to the motor to the speed at which the motor is rotating at.